Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ima Talk Updates. If this is the first time you're coming to this channel, please do subscribe and God bless you. And for the old subscribers, I say thank you. Now in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can create a business on Facebook. Alright, how to create a business on Facebook. You can possibly make a lot of money with your business page. You can run ads to sell your digital products on Facebook even while you have your business page. Alright, you can make a lot of money from Facebook, except you don't know what to do. But if you have the skill, you can definitely make one. All right, you click on page like you saw right now, and then these are all the pages I'm managing. So you go down to create new profile or page. All right, you just wait for a little bit. It's going to load. As you can see from here, you have either to choose from personal page or public page. I'll go with personal page because I'm creating a page for myself and it's personal. All right, and it's personal. You can choose to compare which one you want, but let's go with this personal page, and then you click create. All right, you have this pop-up that create another profile, express another site if you have existing business page. All right, that's why they will tell you, but if you don't have, you won't see that message. All right, now you go to this stage and then you have to fill on your profile information. Right, what do you want to go by? So you just give it a Facebook page name, right? Give it a business name. So I will just say, let's name it Tutorial Boss. All right, and then you ask to choose a username. Auto username is there for you. If you want to use it, you can go with it, but I can go with it because this is just a tutorial. All right, so under it you have where you have to fill in the profile appearance, that is your profile photo, your profile background, you get right. So you have to feed those things all together. So just click on continue and click on create profile. So you have control, you have to click on control your settings. Be mindful of, these are just important things you need to know while creating the page or while using the page. All right, so as you can see, we've gone, this is our dashboard, we created it already. So they will not ask you, Facebook will ask you to add a profile picture or add, and also add a cover photo. All right, if you don't add this, then your page will just look scanty. And in this page also is asking you that you can add friends. All right, so you add more friends, more and more, as much as you can. So when your friends get to accept your request from the end, your approach, automatically you have more friends. It's just like you have followers on your business page already. So, and it's simple to start. So you can just add so many friends as much as you can. So as much as they can accept your request, you have more followers. It can also, then the next stage is to ask you to what, join one or two groups. All right, so that you can have some things on your feed. But even whether you join or not, definitely you have more. Facebook will push some content to your feed. All right, and then the next, you can also to ask you to follow some, and most people that come on top first are maybe people you are close to, people you watch their videos, most especially from your personal Facebook profile. One or two, Facebook will suggest them to you. And then the last thing that will come is how you can manage your settings. All right, a lot of things you can do on your business page. Those are the examples that the kind of settings they will bring in front of you. Is either you click finish or you click manage settings. But let's click manage settings so that it take us, let's go and preview the settings by ourselves. All right, it's going to load. All right, so it takes you now to new in account center. Now in account center, right? Now you are now in account center. This is where you have your settings and privacy, where you can customize everything, your password and everything you need to do as regard to your business page. All right, how you can set up your dark theme to a light theme. So there's a lot for you to do here. Well, I think we're done here, so let's go home and see how our page is looking now. All right, it's loading now. So immediately it loads, you will see how your page looks. So this is how your page is looking. As you can see, where that space they wrote what's on your mind is simply a place where you can make a post. But it's not wise you make a post now because you don't have a profile picture, you don't have a background photo, you don't have about us. So you have to go down to where you can do the settings. This is your profile. All right, so how do you set this profile? You just have to add an intro. This is your intro. You add your bio, you edit details, you add feature. Now you can add feature images or videos or even text, so that anyone that comes into your Facebook page sees what you do and everything you do all at once. All right, guys, As you can see, this is the home page. Now this is where you're supposed to put your profile picture. If you want to add a story, you can add. If you want to edit your profile, this is where you have to edit. And that black behind big background is where you can definitely add your background photo. All right, so it's very simple. Just take your time, guys, and then you can customize, you can do your upload, you see live events. So this is just your business already, so it's not depending on you. If you know how to work on it, fine. If you don't know how to work on it, you can hire a social media manager. All right, guys, so I say this is the end of the video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do not forget. All right, if you want to learn how to set a Facebook pixel, look around your screen, you see the video pop up there, watch it, and then you'll be the best. Thank you. Bye bye.